Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your Google account password. So if you're interested, just keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this. And also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to change your Google account password, it's actually pretty easy. Just follow what I'm going to do. So for the first step, open Google Chrome on your PC or laptop. And once you're here, make sure you're signed in to the Google account that you want to change the password for. After that, click your Google account profile at the top right corner. And then select Manage your Google account. Once you're here, you'll see different settings where you can manage and make changes to your Google account. So from here, go to the password section. Google will then ask you to enter your current password to verify that it's really you who's trying to make changes to the account. But if you don't remember it, don't worry. You can select Try Another Way, and Google will provide other verification methods to confirm that you're the owner of the account, such as sending a verification code or using another available recovery method. But in my case, I still remember my current password, so I'll just enter it here. And once you've entered your password correctly, there you go. You can now change your Google account password. Simply enter your new password in the first field. Then, enter the same new password again in the second field. Once you're sure everything is correct, click Change Password to save the new password. And that's it, guys. Your Google account password has now been changed. Just make sure to remember your new password since you'll need it the next time you sign in to your Google account. And so that's just how you do it, guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes for our tutorial video for today. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.